Assalamualaikum dear students, I am your maths teacher for class 6. Now open your maths book page number 59. Exercise 4.5. Question number 1. Simplify up to 2 decimal places. Part number 1. 0.768 divide 0.22. Now open your maths C-book copy, draw margin line, mention date, exercise page number. Question number 1. Simplify up to 2 decimal places. Part number 1. 0.768 divide 0.22. Write heading of solution. Rewrite the question. First we remove decimal. When we remove decimal, we put 1 in denominator. After decimal, there are 3 digits, so we put 3 zeros after 1 in denominator. Again we remove decimal. When we remove decimal, we put 1 in denominator. After decimal, there are 2 digits, so we put 2 zeros after 1 in denominator. Is equal to 0.768 become 768 upon 1000 divide 0.22 become 22 upon 100. We cannot cross multiplication with divide sign, so we change divide sign to multiply sign. When we change divide sign to multiply sign, the value of right side 22 upon 100 get reciprocal become 100 upon 22 is equal to 768 upon 1000 multiply sign 100 upon 22. 2 zeros से 2 zeros cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6, 1 borrow. 2 eights are 16, 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2, 1 borrow, 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4. 192 multiplied by 1 is equals to 192 upon 5 multiplied by 11, 55. If numerator is greater than denominator, so we do divide. We write denominator in dividend place and numerator in dividend place. "19 is not divisible by 55, so we take 3 digits. 55 multiplied by 3 makes 165. We cannot subtract 5 from 2, so we borrow 1 from left hand side. So 9 becomes 8, 2 becomes 12, minus 12 minus 5, 7, 8 minus 6, 2, 1 minus 1, cross. 27 is not divisible by 55, so we put point and add 0. 55 multiplied by 4 makes 220 minus 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 2 minus 2, no remainder. We have already put decimal, so we can another 0. We have already put decimal, so we can add another 0. 55 multiplied by 9 makes 495. Minus, we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we borrow from left hand side, but first number is 0, so we cannot borrow from 0. We borrow 1 from another number, which is 5. After borrowing 5 becomes 4. 0 becomes 10. Then we borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 9, there is no remainder. 4 minus 4, there is no remainder. 3.49 is equals to 3.49. This is the answer of question number 1. I have explained you part number 1. Now you will do part number 2 and 3. Question number 4. In a month of 31 days, the total rainfall was 20 cm. What was the average daily rainfall? Right heading of solution. Now we do divide. We write 31 in divisor place, 20 in dividend place. is not divisible by 31, so we put point and add 0. If we don't have any number before decimal, so we put 0. 31 multiplied by 6 makes 186. Minus, we cannot subtract 6 from 0. We borrow from left hand side, but first number is 0, so we cannot borrow from 0. We borrow 1 from another number, which is 2. After borrowing 2 becomes 1. 0 becomes 10. Then we borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1, there is no remainder. We have already put decimal, so we can add another 0. 31 multiplied by 4 makes 124. Minus, we cannot subtract 4 from 0, so we borrow 1 from left hand side. 4 becomes 3. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, there is no remainder. This question can continue, but we stop at this step because we need only 2 digits after decimal. So the answer is 0.64 is equals to 0.64. This is the answer of question number 4. On average, daily rainfall was 0.64 cm. I have explained you question number 4. Now you will do question number 3. This is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your work. Allah Hafiz.